Welcome back, students. In this class we continue quadratic equation chapter 10 exercise 10.2. We continue the first question, third sub problem. So here we start solving the problem. So the second problem given is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to take here 5 into 2 is equal to 10 and 5 into 2 is equal to 10 and 5 plus, so the exercise is find the, here I just write find the roots. Since it was in the previous class we started, I will just write the question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Following roots of the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Equations by factorization method. Factorization. This was the question. So the first quadrant, this one is the third sub problem. Given is this one. So 5 into 2 is 10 and 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. We'll apply here. So we'll take, I'll write 2x square to 7, this is nothing, 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now this 7x can be written as root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now take x common here. X common means root 2 and x is left out plus 5. Then plus 5 and here plus we have to take root 2 outside. Root 2 outside means root 2. Then we have to write root 2 into 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. So here root 2 into root 2 will be root cancel, we will get root 2 into root 2, 2. This is the here we applied root 2 into 2. So here root 2 into root 2 answer is 2. Therefore we are taking this root 2 outside. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So we took root 2 outside. Then 2x again 5 root 2 we get by multiplying. So after this we will take this one, that is root 2x plus 5. Then this one is x plus root 2. X plus root 2 is equal to 0. Now take separately root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Now take this root 2 plus x is equal to 0. Then x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Here we can take it as root 2x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus root 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Then x is equal to minus root 2. Hence finally one statement we have written, hence the roots of the quadratic equation is the quadratic equation, that is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0, or minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. So this is the solution for this third question. We move on to the fourth one. Fourth is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. So we'll see how to find the roots of this quadratic equation. So here first what we'll do is take this equation to x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. The next step is multiply by 8. Multiply the above equation by 8. Equation by 8. So what happens? 8 into 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Now 8 2s are 16, 16x square minus 8 into x, 8x, then plus 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Now 8 cancels here. Now we get 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the expression we are getting after simplifying it, that is multiplying by 8. Now we can again simplify this. 16x square minus 8 can be written as minus 8 can be written as minus 4 plus minus 4. So this one is minus 4 plus minus 4. So we'll write here minus 4x minus 4x plus 1. Now what we'll do, this is the working section. Now take this 16x square minus 4x plus 1. Now we take 4x common here. 4 into 4 16x square, then minus 1 into 4 is 4x. Again 1 will take common or outside, minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the further simplification. Now we can write as, see both the cases, we have 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So these are the two roots we are getting. So now we can write it as minus 4x is equal to 0 and 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. After this 4x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 by 4. Similarly here also same thing, 4x is equal to 1, minus 1 becomes plus 1 when it comes to the other side, therefore x is equal to 1 by 4. Finally we get x is equal to 1 by 4 and x is equal to 1 by 4. So the conclusion is the roots of the quadratic equation or quadratic equation, you write 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0, or 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. This is the solution for this fourth one. We move on to the fifth problem. Fifth problem is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the given quadratic equation is this one, that is the last problem of the first question. So we'll take this 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now minus 20 can be written as minus 10 is equal to 10. This can be applied here. So take this 100x square, so therefore minus 20 can be written as minus 10x minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore next is take 10x common here, these two and these two. 10x common means 10x, 10 into 10, 100, x into x, x square, minus 1, or 10x means 1 minus, take 1 common, then 10x minus into minus plus, therefore take minus here, then 0. So after this we have again 10 minus x, 10x minus 1 and 10x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So here we can take it as 10x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So these can be written as 10x minus 1 the whole square is equal to 0. These things combine and we can write it as 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore take it outside, 10x is equal to 1, or 10x minus 1 is equal to 0 means 10x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 10. Therefore final conclusion is the roots of the quadratic equation, the roots of the quadratic equation. What is the equation? That is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0, or that is we are getting 1 by 10 and 1 by 10, or we can write as 1 by 10 comma 1 by 10, anything. Or so this is the solution for the first. We completed the first question, that is in the first question we have 5 sub problems. So this ends the first question in the exercise 10.2. So now this completes the today's class. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.